this Sunday night. It's happening at the original Red Rooster. It's Houston's legendary third Sunday.
All we say to America is be true to what you said on paper.
Join us as we remember Dr. Martin Luther King this month at the legendary third Sunday with Coach Cheese as your host. It's the birthday of Dr. Martin Luther King.
Tonight I'm not worried about anything. I'm not fearing any man. Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord.
It's Dr. Martin Luther King's birthday, and we're celebrating. Celebrate with Lady Di, Fred, Ron Botno, Mobley, and myself. I'm Stevie Ray, celebrating my birthday this month at the original Red Rooster. It's legendary third Sunday. The decor is done by Bonnie Darrant of Total Ambiance. And of course, the food will be delicious as always. Etta and Nancy's Porch Catering. And this party will be sponsored by Lady Di Taylor and ATU, Accounting Tax Unlimited Enterprise. Now accepting new clients. No upfront fees. Refund advance up to $6,000. Dial 713-660-8990. Sponsoring this month's MLK Bash. It's legendary third Sunday at the